Hare Krishna. So today we will learn about the use of ko. Ko is a postposition in Hindi, and we will see the different cases where it is used. We will see with the examples how to use this. For example, I have read a book. In this case, ko will be omitted because book is a non-living object. But when I'm referring to a specific book, a definite object, a certain object, then I will use it. For example, the translation of the first one will be मैंने एक किताब पढ़ी है. मैंने एक किताब पढ़ी है. You also read this book. आप भी इस किताब को पढ़िएगा. In the first case, I am talking about a book. In the second case, I am saying read this book. Second use, it is obligatory with living direct objects. For example, call the child. बच्चे को बुलाओ. Let's see more examples. She is looking at the man. वह आदमी को देख रही है. रावण made इंद्रा captive. रावण ने इंद्र को बंदी बनाया. बंदी बनाना means to make someone captive. देखना is to look. So she is looking at the man. आदमी को देख रही है. Why we added this रही? रही shows the continuity of the tense. रही, रहा, रहे, they show the ing form. So देख रही है is looking. Mother will bathe the baby. To bathe someone is नहलाना. So माँ बच्चे को नहलाएगी. Let's see some more cases. When a sentence has both direct as well as indirect object and both of them are living, then ko will follow both. For example, you give the child to me. तुम बच्चे को मुझको दो. To me, मुझको. बच्चे को, the child. So you give the child to me. तुम बच्चे को मुझको दो. मुझको in Hindi translates to me. He or she handed over the criminal to the police chief. उसने अपराधी को थानेदार को सौंप दिया. See, the case is अपराधी criminal living, थानेदार police chief again living. So both are living, so we will add को after both of them. अपराधी को थानेदार को सौंप दिया. सौंपना is to hand over or सौंप देना to hand over. If one object is non-living and the other is living, then ko follows the living object but is dropped in the case of non-living. Let's look at the examples. Mother feeds the baby. माँ बच्चे को खाना खिलाती है. To feed is खिलाना, खाना खिलाना. So खाना खिलाती है. Why we use खिलाती है? Because we are talking about the mother who is feeding the babies. That's why ती खिलाती है. I wrote a letter to father. मैंने पिताजी को पत्र लिखा. Letter is पत्र and लिखना means to write. लिखा is the past tense. I wrote a letter to the father. मैंने पिताजी को. So notice पिताजी को, पिताजी is living, पत्र non-living. So को is following the living object. बच्चे को, पिताजी को. Teacher taught lesson to the students. अध्यापिका ने विद्यार्थियों को पाठ पढ़ाया. पाठ is lesson. विद्यार्थियों को to the students. पाठ is non-living, that is why we don't add ko after it. The first case is a simple present tense. Feeds the baby. So we use खिलाती है. Learn about some tenses also. खिलाती. I wrote. पत्र लिखा, past tense. Teacher taught. So taught is पढ़ा, to teach is पढ़ाना. Teacher taught, पढ़ाया. We will see about more uses of को in the further video.